Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Esther Joguna Lifestyle. I'm back with yet another interesting video. So guys, in this channel I normally give you about my lifestyle, cooking vlogs and traveling vlogs. And if you are looking for such videos, kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video you'll be among the first people to be notified. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome and welcome to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking into this channel again. Okay guys, so today I just woke up. As you can see my face, you can tell I just woke up. It's early in the morning. I'm preparing breakfast here. This is tea I'm making, and I'm currently in my kitchen, and I want to spend this day with you. I want to give you how my day normally goes when I'm at home. So when I woke up, I normally take a quick shower, and then I come straight to the kitchen, prepare the breakfast. So today I'm just making a breakfast, tea, because I have some crisp pancakes in the fridge, so I'm just going to warm them for my baby, and some sausages, and she's good to go for the day up to lunchtime. And then I have these utensils that we used last night that I did not manage to clean. I was so tired to an extent that I couldn't do it. Even after I finished having dinner, I was just dozing off on the couch, and I just said enough is enough, let me go and take rest. Okay, so I'm going to clean the dishes right now, and then I have some laundry to do. And then today, later in the day, I'm going to be going to Githurai market to buy some grocery and some fruits for my baby, because whenever she goes to school, I really love to go to Githurai and purchase a lot of fruits for her, and to come and blend them to blend the juice for her. I'm going to be removing my tea from it has already boiled, so I'm going to sieve it, to put it on the thermos, and then I continue with the rest of the day. Okay guys, yeah. I can feel it saving me. Hold me, can you hear the symphony? Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Side by side, you know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming, you know I'll
Sound the alarms and the chaos is rising. Leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La, la.
So after breakfast, I decided to go and get some laundry to do. So as you can see, I started by changing my beddings. So right now I'm sorting out the way I'm going to put them in the machine, in the laundry. So I start with white clothes and then I'll go step by step with the others. So this is me. I'm going to add some powder soap in the washing machine. Then I'll put the white clothes. Those are the bed sheets and some other white clothes. Then I'll start cleaning. And I always change the beddings this day when I'm at home. My own and my daughter's bedding.
The more I'm sinking, take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
I finished doing the laundry and now it's time for me to start rinsing from the clothes that I cleaned first, the white one. So I rinse my clothes using the Downy liquid soap, and it gives very fresh and very nice scented smell to the clothes. So this is me. I only add 1 cup of Downy.
started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels.
After I finished cleaning the clothes, I decided to come and make the beds because it was raining heavily outside, that where I could not manage to hang them. So I came and finished making the bed, although I love doing it later in the day to give it time to rest also. And I'm going to put this long white bed sheet first, and then I'm going to add another one that I'm going to be covering myself with. So if you have been looking for such content, kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified.
I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? And before too long, I found where I belong. I can hear it, I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush. Every note I touch, I can feel it saving me. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
End of group of clothes that I cleaned also. So enjoy doing the laundry with me, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below and tell me how you start doing your laundry every day. So guys, this is late evening. After we finished the laundry, the lane started raining. It really fell, and to an extent that I couldn't manage to go to the market in Kidurai. So I just went to the supermarket right now and bought this cake from Power Star for breakfast, and then I bought these meal breakers for breakfast too. For my baby, she really loved cakes, and then I bought her these snacks to buy twice, and then I bought her these yogurts from Diamea that she really do love so much. So I just went outside my house and we bought these yummy avocados. Yes, guacamole. Each was going for 20 shillings, which was a very good fair price. So I'm going to clean them, and then I bought these kales. I need to slice them. So I saw like a lady who was selling them, like just measuring with her hand, and I saw like she's holding a good amount of 20 shillings. So I bought to her 40 shillings, which will be enough for my baby. So I need to also to clean them. And then in the supermarket also we went with these safari beef sausages for breakfast too. And we bought the liver. I also bought this liver for my baby girl. She do love, I really love every time she cross the school to cook for her, to give her more calcium. And then we went to also with the beef for dinner right now with the kales. And then I also found some cocoteni, guys. You know how cabbage right now, how expensive it is, and this one was going for 50 shillings. And imagine in my home area tunanunua the half of it at 50 shillings. So I saw like it's very affordable, and I had to buy full because it was going for 50 shillings. Okay, and then since I didn't manage to go to the market in Kidurai, I just bought this one, the fruits, very little. They are good for now, and then when we go to the market, I'm going to buy the bulk with them of them so that I can manage to buy even popo. I didn't manage to get the popo. I only went with this type of the fruits. I don't know the name, and then the red ones, and then the passion, and then the oranges, the mini oranges. So my girl will really love them. So I'm going to start by removing these ones from here, and then I'll store this one in the fridge and the cakes up here for her. And then this one, and then for the meat, I'm going to start by boiling it. Let me get the pots. So I'm going to clean the beef. Before then, let me wash my hands. And then I'm going to put the meat to be boiling as I prepare the rest. So let me clean it. I do love cleaning my beef because sometimes inashindanga imeanikwa hapo, and then sometimes unaona hata ukiosha bado iko na some reddish things, and it's also healthy to clean it. So let me put it to boil. Mom, enda niletea maji hapa chini kwa bedroom yako. So the next thing, I'm going to start by cleaning all these pots And for the cabbage, I'm just going to slice it and then I wrap it with the cling film. I don't know if, okay, let me clean the fruits first.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic, I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. Oh, if I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic, and before too long I found where I belong. I can hear it, I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush. Every note I touch, I can feel it saving me. Oh, tell me, can you hear the symphony? Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life.
So I had some sliced broccolis that I'm going to be adding right now in the hot water with salt, and the reason being is to let the broccoli soak in for 5 minutes so that they can cook evenly, and then I'm going to remove them from the water and then cook them and like steam them in the fire, and then I'm going to serve her with the liver that I'm going to be showing you.
Can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic, can hear it.
so strong, it kept on rolling. So after my liver has dried very well, dry without anything, that's when I added a little bit of cooking oil to let it cook again with it. And I'm also cooking it at under low heat, and then after it cooks well with oil, I'm going to let it up to turn it up to golden brown, and then I'm going to add the onion.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So on today's dinner, I was going to make ugari and served with the sukuma wiki, which are kales, and also beef stew. And I'm going to start by making the beef stew, as you can see. So after the meat finished boiling, I added some onion, red onion, and then the cooking oil, and then I'll let it cook until it's well golden brown. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes to give it juicy thick soup. And also I'm going to be cooking ugari at the same time, which I waited for the water to boil, and then I'm going to stir it with the maize flour to let it, and then I'll let it simmer until it's well cooked. So continue enjoying the video as we cook the dinner together. So for beef seasoning, I'm going to be using 1 Royco cube. Again, I really love the taste of the beef Royco cube, that it really gives the food a very nice flavor. And as you can see, I also stirred the ugari with hot water and maize flour, and I'm waiting it to cook well, and then I'm going to serve it.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly
So this is the delivery guy. As you can see, he's downstairs. I ordered some vlogging kits that he was delivering from me. I ordered them from CDI Gadgets on. So guys, today it has been an amazing day again. I purchased that I got this vlogging kit from CDI Gadgets. I bought it online and they delivered it today. Although I needed it complete, so I needed this. It's a vlogging kit that has a light and speaker and a phone holder and also a handle. So I needed it and with a tripod. Although when the tripod came, it was very short and small. So I told the rider to go back with it and I asked for the longer one. So unfortunately they didn't have that one that I needed, and then they told me to check on Friday. But I want to show you what I got. Okay, so these are the pieces that came. This is the phone holder. I mean this is the holder. Yes guys, I'm in love with these gadgets already. Oh my god, I don't know how to open them. I think I need to study them very well. I might break it. I don't know where you're supposed to open. They didn't send me a clip where I'm supposed to. Okay, I don't understand. Oh, so you press this one like this. You press this handle like this. This is a very nice one. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna study it very well. And this one is a cable that I'm going to be connecting it on my speaker. It's a very nice kit that I bought. I just want to expand my vlogging videos. So this is the cable that I'm going to be connecting here, one of them, and then the other side on the phone. Okay guys, so it will be giving me good voice. All right, and this is a Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth. It's like a remote for the cameras. I have another one, and then this is the phone holder, and it's a very nice quality. I can't wait to vlog outdoors. Yay! Yes, and then there is this light that you're gonna attach. So it's gonna be like, this is the phone. Okay, this is the handle, and then you attach the phone holder first like this, and then I'm gonna attach this one on top. Yes, and then this one will be the one on the top like this. Okay guys, like this. So it will be like this, and then like this. Okay, yeah, so this is how it looks. It's as it is complete. Let me show you this side. Yeah, it's very nice, and I can't wait to use it mostly at night if I'm somewhere where it's dark. And this one uses batteries, C steamer, so that is very convenient for me to go with it outdoor. And this is what I've been using. The reason I want to get another tripod, this is what I've been using, and it's very weak. It's 16 inch that I got online, also from a page called Lani Ventures kinda. And this one is very weak. Every time I'm vlogging and I'm putting this one, it makes my phone fall down. Even it clacks a lot. And then this handle, you see, even right now is not strong. So I'm just going to be using it for the lighting only, and then the other tripod, when it comes, I'm going to be using it to hold my phone. And I saw it's very nice because it has an regulator that I can twist my phone all along. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos this far, and if you have been looking for such content, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. So guys, have a lovely time. See you on my next video. Okay,
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down.